Hello to everyone, I'm Giuseppe. Today I would like to introduce one of our Gambino wine, the Duvanera 2017, that in another word it means black grapes because it is 100% of Nero d'Avola, so an important and popular Sicilian red wine. We grow this grape close to Butera and Riesi, which is between Caltanissette and Agrigento area, just on the center of Sicily, which is actually where all the important and popular Nero d'Avola at the moment are born. So over there we can say the element of the soil, like clay and limestone, together with environment and with a high temperature, make this wine very intense, deep and warm. But I tell you something about this wine that I already opened, and I can give you some short information of two important elements: the smell and the color. Plus, I will be not so professional because I want that message will be clear for everyone, even for who doesn't understand very well the wine. So I smell already this wine, and I can tell you it's very complex, it's very young, but especially intense, such a red fruity flavor like cherry, strawberry and mulberry, but even depending on what coming to your mind. But when we are smelling it, and this sensation continues, especially on the tasty, because in this case the Nero d'Avola is a very smooth, soft and delicate wine. About the tannin, for example, I can say it's not so aggressive for your palate, so personally, for example, I like that kind of feeling, and when we keep going to taste, you can also feel that wine have some influence from the French oak barrel. So in the wine we can smell even the leather and the chocolate, because in this case it's important to say that the Gambino family has been aging this wine for at least 1 year in the French oak barrel, and after that 8-12 months on the bottle. So we have here a nice structure of wine, and also even the color is very important. So this element in this case is a typical dark purple red color, which means this is in a full body of wine. Very consistent, you can say definitely when you look at this wine is a pure Nero d'Avola. So now with all this information, I really recommend to you to purchase this wine and check out our website gambinovini.com, and once you have purchased the Duvanera, try it out and with some, for example, pasta with red sauce, or try with some pasta with vegetable, or for example daily meat like salami and prosciutto, or even Sicilian cheese, and let know us, give some feedback. So now it's just time to try. Bye guys, drink Gambino wine and take care.